Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. You have to open guys, first of all, browser and just go to roblox.com. You may go to roblox.com, or you have to. And guys, once you open the Roblox page, you have to tap on this menu button over here and just go to Avatar Editor. And once you're here guys, if the Avatar Editor doesn't open on your mobile, you just need to enable desktop mode and just go to desktop website. Now you just need to guys go to face accessories and go to face accessories. Right now you can see that I have two accessories, so if I'm trying to select both of them, it do not work. It doesn't work. So what you have to do, you have to hold a new accessories, just copy the link address and just open a new tab from here. Can you see new tab? And just paste your ID or link address over here and just copy the asset ID. Just tap on it and select it and just copy. Go back to Avatar page, and once you're here, you just need to tap on this link, advanced link over here, and just paste your link, paste your asset ID in the blank one, and just tap on save button. Save again, and your accessory will be equipped. So hope you like it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.